driven up to Bridgeport, Connecticut this morning, area called Black Rock, and it's a really nice lighthouse that's just offshore here. I've shot it before. It's called the Fayerweather Lighthouse, and they just did a renovation of it. In fact, they just took the scaffolding off recently, so I figured come back, catch a sunrise shot, see if I get some nice images of this refurbished lighthouse. Well, pretty simple composition here. Just got the lighthouse on the lower kind of 1/3 of the frame. I'm wondering what that sky's gonna do back there. Got a bank of clouds kind of right behind the lighthouse, so I'm hoping for a better sunrise, but might look good in black and white. We'll see how it turns out. I'll keep shooting. Well, I'm using my long lens. I've got my 70 to 200 millimeter lens on because I really want to get in reasonably close to the lighthouse while leaving some water and some sky around it. Trying to just find the right balance. It's pretty good. There's a little bit of kind of an orangey glow behind the lighthouse. It's very faint. I'm not sure it'll be enough to make the picture that interesting in color, but I'll play around with things, try different exposures, see how it works out. Alright, well, I've been shooting with no filter, going out to about 20-25 seconds. And I popped a 3-stop neutral density filter on the front of the camera so I could go a little longer. As the sun rises, I might try my 10-stop as well to really darken the scene, smooth out that water quite a bit, and create a very serene image, hopefully. Alright, well, I'm going to head home. Wasn't the most glorious sunrise, but even with those clouds, I think I created some nice images, so definitely worth the trip. Better than sleeping in.